Hello everyone, in today's quick video I will show you how to overcome this error. So when you try to make some modifier on image in SwiftUI, then if you want to use resizable, you get error value of type something has no member resizable, because this content is of default type view which doesn't have resizable on it. Only image has resizable on it. So in this case this won't work. So this is a preview. I made some image Xbox logo system name from SF symbols, and I use the resizable aspect ratio and frame. I give it width and height of 120 pixels. So this won't work. If you want to make a custom modifier for image to replace these 3 lines of code, then what you need to do is make extension on image, and in that extension define function, name it as you want, image icon modifier, which returns view. And what you need to do is use self. So on image, add these 3, basically add any modifiers you want. I will try to build this now. Here we need to use some view. Okay, build successful. And now this is the preview. If I delete these 3 lines, you can see our image is small now, and we can now add image icon modifier extension function on the image, and it works perfectly. That's it for this quick video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. You can find a lot more videos about SwiftUI topic, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.